2 affordable and easy recipes for everyday meals. And here for our first recipe, I'll start with a skinless, boneless chicken thigh. This would be a recipe for 1 or 2 people, right? It really depends on how much you eat. Here, I'm just going to cut it into bite-sized pieces, like the Japanese say, right? Hitokuchi. About this size, more or less. Set it aside. And a large onion, just cut it like this, in half. And that's it. These are 2 very easy recipes to make, and they're also very economical. It will look like this. If you come home tired, it's a great option. And here, scallions to taste. I prefer to use this white part of the scallion, which is harder, right? If you have it, you can use it. And let's cut it more or less about 2 fingers long. Like this. To taste. Now just put everything together in a small pot. First, the chicken. Onion and green onion. Spread it well. Onion, you can separate it a little, like this, like this, like this. Done. And now, just season it. A teaspoon of sugar. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can use light soy sauce as well. A tablespoon of mirin. And a tablespoon of sake. Actual sake, the drink. If you don't have it, you can use cachaça. Half a teaspoon of dashi powder. If you don't have it, you can use a little bit of chicken broth or vegetable broth. Now, 100 ml of water. And turn on the heat. And now let it cook well. Medium-low heat. And now just flip the chicken, only once, and let it keep cooking. Here, everything is well cooked. Just turn it off. Just pour the broth on top. And you just serve it with hot rice. And leave a comment if you thought this recipe was easy. And for our second recipe, which is even easier, just a little bit of oil. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of powdered fish dashi. If you don't have it, you can use chicken broth. A little bit of powdered ginger, a drizzle of toasted sesame oil, 100 ml of water, and give it a quick mix. And now, eggs. As many as you want. I would use 3 eggs, water in the pot. It started to boil. Put our bamboo steamer on. The eggs. And let's steam it for about 9 minutes. Meanwhile, chop a little bit of green onion to taste. And here, after 9 minutes, just turn it off.
Just sprinkle green onion on top.